Hopkins University, Baltimore, MD, USA in 1973, and a BTech in Electrical Engineering from IIT Bombay in 1969. He's a visionary who realized the need to pursue teaching and research in microelectronics in India. Ladies and gentlemen, we're honored to have him amidst us. Can I hear a big round of applause once again? This prestigious award carries a trophy and a check for rupees 200,000 to the winner. We request Professor Vasi to speak a few words on this occasion.
Okay, I'll just say a few words. First of all, I would like to thank ISA for giving me this award. It certainly is an important award for me, a combination of many years of activity over the last 3 or 4 decades. I really became interested in semiconductors when I was an undergraduate student here at IIT Bombay, and that was almost 40 years ago. I hate to admit it, but I guess that's one way you get a lifetime achievement award when you started off long, long ago. And really this interest in semiconductors continued for a long time. I've been doing it all these 40 years. My PhD, after I came back to India, all my faculty work also has been in the area of semiconductor. One other thing which I would like to mention is that obviously having vision is one thing, but actually trying to achieve it and achieving it is another thing. And for this, obviously, I've received a lot of help from a lot of colleagues and students, and I would like to, on this occasion, thank them also. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. It was very inspiring. While it gives us great pleasure in honoring these eminent scholars, ISA is proud to be associated with an eminent panel of thinkers from industry and academia who went through a rigorous process of shortlisting in selecting the winners. We have one panel for each of these categories, and it is our good fortune that we have them represented here. May I now request His Excellency Dr. Kalam to felicitate them. Calling on Dr. Anand Kumar, Corporate Vice President and Managing Director, Magma Design Automation India Private Limited, representing the Techno Visionary Panel. This panel includes Dr. Krishna Saraswat, Professor, Stanford University, Professor L. M. Patnaik, Vice Chancellor, Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, Dr. Pramod Chandra P. Bhatt, Vida Software Solutions, and Rajendra Kumar Khare, Managing Director, Indus Edge Innovation. Thank you, sir. We now invite S. Uma Mahesh, co-founder and CEO, Impion Technologies India Private Limited, for the Techno Mentor Panel. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the panel. Calling on the names of the members of the panel. Panel members are Dr. A. M. Chandorkar, Professor, IIT Mumbai, Dr. B. S. Adiga, Principal Consultant, Tata Consultancy Services, Dr. M. Jagdish Kumar, Professor of Electrical Engineering, IIT Delhi, Dr. S.S.S.P. Rao, Chief Advisor and Mentor, CMC Center, and Dr. P.P. Chakrabarti, Panel Head, Dean, Sponsored Research and Industrial Consultancy, Professor, IIT Kharagpur. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause once again for the panel. A lot of hard work, long dedication. We'd now like to invite Dr. S.S.S.P. Rao, Chief Advisor and Mentor, CMC Limited, for Techno Shield Panel. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. And please welcome Dr. Rao. And this panel also includes Ashok Madan, Deputy General Manager, HCL Technologies, Manav Support Manager, Higher Education, Intel India, Dr. Raj Singh, CEERI Pilani, and Padmanabhan, SN, Senior Vice President, Semiconductors, Mighty Consulting Limited. Thank you, sir. We now invite Dr. K.V.V. Murthy, panel head and distinguished professor from Amrita Institute of Technology, representing the Techno Inventor panel. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. The panel includes Dr. Bhagiraj Ambutur, Assistant Professor, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, Dr. H.V. Ananda, Managing Director, Simplicity Software India Private Limited, Dr. Navkant Bhatt, Associate Professor, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, Dr. P.V. Ramakrishna, Professor, Anna University, Dr. V. Kamakoti, Assistant Professor, IIT Madras, and Dr. Madhusudan V. Atre, President, Applied Materials. Thank you very much, sir. And now, for the Technovation Karnataka Awards panel. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Raju Pudota, Managing Director, Denali Systems India, representing Best Student Project Award panel. The panel includes Rajiv Kapoor, Managing Director, Broadcom India Private Limited, Sandeep Bhatia, Associate Engineering Director, Broadcom India Private Limited, and Nachiketa Urgutwareshe, CEO, Softgen Technologies Private Limited. Thank you very much, sir. And we now like to invite Dr. Amit Bhatt, University Relations Manager, ARM Embedded Technologies Private Limited, representing the Best Faculty Award panel. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. The panel includes Dr. S. Ramesh, India Science Lab, General Motors R&D, Dr. Nirmal Sancheti, Vice President Engineering, Olgo Embedded Systems Private Limited, and S. Nagarajan, Distinguished Technologies, HP Systems Technology in Software Division. Thank you, sir. ISA is deeply honored to have had His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam give away the awards. We now request His Excellency to give his much-awaited keynote address.
Friends, good evening to all of you. First I would like to greet Jaswinder Avija and Sri Janagiraman and all the awardees. And it was very interesting to give the awards in semiconductor area, particularly research and students and also industry. My greetings to all of you. I am indeed delighted to participate in the ISAs Technovation Awards 2008, organized by India Semiconductor Association, ISA. Happy that ISA has taken up the initiative of recognizing the semiconductor researchers and role models who are facilitating the growth of the semiconductor industry in the country. I congratulate the award winners for their excellent contribution to research and innovation in industry. My greetings to all of you. Understand that the awardees have been selected through a process of rigorous selection from hundreds of participants. So it's indeed a beautiful evening for all of us. Moore's Law of 1965, which predicted that number of transistors per chip would double every 2 years, has survived for more than 40 years. In fact, it doubled every 18 months. In this period, number of transistors per chip has grown from 10 to 1 billion. The semiconductor industry is continuously growing, flourishing, keeping up with the philosophy of smaller, faster, cheaper strategy. Recently, world's first 2 billion transistor microprocessor named Tukwila was announced by Intel. Friends, what is our Indian semiconductor industry? Our own semiconductor complex at Chandigarh started with 5-micron technology in 1983, long ago. This unit has been converted as an R&D society under the Department of Space, and the society's operation since 1st September 2006. The present SCL society has the vision of meeting the microelectronic requirement of strategic center and transform into a center of excellence. They have started producing high reliability space system and contributing to a screening of mill-grade components and assembly. They have already delivered critical devices for airports, Indian Railway, and Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics. The 3 devices developed